Hey there, fellow foodies and kitchen gadget lovers. Welcome back to our channel, where we help you troubleshoot and fix common appliance issues so you can get back to cooking your favorite crispy meals without any hassle. Today, we're diving into the topic of how to fix air fryer error code E1, 2025. If you've ever seen that frustrating E1 error pop up on your air fryer's display, you're not alone. It's one of the most common problems, often related to overheating, sensor issues, or even a simple loose connection. Don't worry, I'll guide you through this step by step in just a few minutes. First things first, let's understand what error code E1 means. Typically, it signals that your air fryer has detected a potential safety issue, like excessive heat or a malfunction in the temperature sensor. The good news is that most of the time, this can be resolved at home without needing a professional. Step 1. Safety first. Unplug your air fryer immediately and let it cool down for at least 30 minutes. This gives the internal components a chance to reset and prevents any risk of burns or further damage. Once it's cool, step 2. Check for any blockages. Open the basket and inspect the heating element for food debris, grease buildup, or anything that might be obstructing airflow. Use a soft brush or cloth to gently clean it out. Remember, never use water on electrical parts. Step 3. Inspect the connections. Make sure the power cord is securely plugged in and that there are no visible damages. If your air fryer has removable parts, ensure they're properly attached. Next, try a reset. Plug it back in and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to perform a hard reset. If the error persists, you might need to check your user manual for model-specific advice or contact the manufacturer's customer support. And there you have it. Simple steps to get your air fryer up and running again. If these tips worked for you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more handy fixes, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Remember, a well-maintained air fryer means more delicious, healthy meals ahead. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.